Peace, people. Welcome to Here and There with Kortney. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing / unpackaging of my starter kit that I received from Color Street. Okay, I actually received this a few months ago, but I'm actually just able to really get into the particulars of the products. I have used the nail strips before. So firstly, if you're not familiar with Color Street is a nail paint strip, right? And it's pretty convenient, you know, because of the fact that you negate nail dry time, which has always been an issue for me, honestly. It's like my least favorite part of getting pampered and getting my nails done, the actual just waiting. So Color Street has kind of taken that process out. Since I have been familiarizing myself with the product, there are quite a few things that I do like about the nail strips, and then there are some things that I'm not crazy about regarding the nail strips, and I'm going to be sharing all of those with you all on this channel, so I hope that you will subscribe and stay tuned. So we're going to go ahead and get into this package and see what all it comes with, and also you can expect videos regarding my nails uploaded on Thursdays, okay? So it came with 9 packs of nail strips. You can see some of the pretty colors. There is a French manicure set. Usually they're solids or glitters, and then there was also a couple ombres that I saw. The nail beds do come in different sizes. There's like a petite, then there's a large. Color Street also launched a makeup line, y'all. So they sent out some makeup products. One was a powder blush and one was a blush balm that you just saw, and then I also shared the nail buffer. They also sent out some lip care. The lip care came with a lipstick, 1 lip liner, and then 1 tinted lip balm. Right there you have 100 nail prep pads along with some hand lotion. And excuse me, I'm losing my breath now. This is 50 of the 2-finger testers that they send. 25 were in ombre, 25 were in glitter. Then we got some cuticle oil, a large nail file. It also came with 25 cheek brochures, along with 25 opportunity brochures, 10 of the core catalogs, and a stylist launch guide, along with a tote bag, and of course a welcome letter informing you of everything regarding the business. This cost me $129. If you have any additional questions, be sure to let me know and stay tuned. Peace, y'all.